how to change or how to configure static IP address. So anyway, on the bottom right corner, what you'll see is this. It's a computer icon on the bottom right corner. So right click, hit Open Network and Sharing Center. It'll take you to your network. Click Ethernet, and some servers, and they'll see two. In this case, just only one. Ethernet status, hit Properties, and type it in. Select TCP IP v4 or Internet Protocol version. Double click, or just click Properties, and you type in whatever the IP address that is assigned for the server. For instance, in this case, 192.168. This is a private IP address. That 3 and 42. That's basically the IP address I want assigned for this server. Subnet mask, it's by default, it'll just populate it. And your default gateway, in most default gateway, is 168.3.1 or 3.254. It really depends in your network. In this case, what I have is 3.1. So your DNS is your first domain controller, or your domain controller, or it may not be a domain controller. But in this case, if you look back to my first server that I built, it's the first domain controller in the new environment Active Directory. So that's my DNS server. You type it in. If you know the IP address, type it in 192.168.3.2. That is my first server, DNS server or domain controller server. And hit OK, and you're done. And make sure it will communicate. Okay? To communicate is by going into, just to test, going into command prompt, type ping, okay, and then type the IP address of the server you want to communicate. Have a nice day, and God bless you. Thank you. Bye.